A profit and loss or income statement. What is that? Why would you want to use that? How can you make money out of it? I'll show you a super easy way to be able to read any profit and loss from any company in any industry in very simple 3 steps. In class, we will learn how to read any P&L. I will acknowledge that most people think that this is super boring. I'll show you a very simple way to learn what are the key things that you want to look at, whether anyone can make a P&L, including this farmer. Why would you want to use a P&L if it's so boring for most people? How much does it cost to implement a P&L? The answer is somewhere between $1 and $100 million. And we'll look at the different options that you have to do that. And then the steps to read any P&L, 3 super easy steps, which then we will practice by looking at the profit and loss of Apple, Disney, Estee Lauder, and IBM. We'll then look at Jenny, one of my students who also runs a shoe business, and we'll see how she was able to make her own P&L just on a piece of paper. We'll look at each one of the transactions, and then we will learn how she was able to compare her profit and loss with that of her benchmark, which is Coach. And then I'll ask, why are financial statements so boring? These are real financial statements. And what can you do to have something that doesn't look quite like this? Instead, I will show you all the different steps one by one to go from that format to something like this, which is much easier